If your Venmo account has been restricted, you may be able to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or the Venmo app for any notifications regarding the restriction. This will provide details on why your account was restricted and any specific actions you may need to take. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including your account number, transaction history, and any communications from Venmo. This will help you present a clear case when appealing. Step 3. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support through the app or their website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method, whether it's through email, chat, or phone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. When you contact support, clearly explain your situation and why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Include any evidence or documentation that supports your case. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Venmo. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Venmo requires careful attention to detail and communication with customer support. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of resolving the issue.